Hey everybody, I've got a package. Let's open it up and see what we got after the jump. So, I'll see you in a minute. Collecting Dude is here. That's me. And I've got this box. So let's open it and see what gifts are inside. I'm super excited. Let's see what we've got in this box. And we've got... Ooh. Alright. Let's destroy this box. Get to this other box inside. What's in this box? Let's see. This is one way to pack whatever is inside. Ooh, we've got a comic book. Let's take the bubble wrap off and see what comic this happens to be. Alright, here we go. We've got, it's right here, All American Comics 16, Facsimile Edition in 9/8. This is a reprint of the first appearance of Alan Scott, the original Green Lantern. And I got this as a facsimile right here. As a fun story, I may or may not have bugged a certain DC editor, letting them know that this book has never been singularly reprinted. Neither in DC Millennials, never reprinted, or any other facsimile. So, by bugging this editor enough, this person may or may not have finally relented and put this out. So I am thrilled to not only have this first appearance of Alan Scott, but to put this on the wall where it's going to stay. So, All American 16 facsimile, first appearance of Alan Scott. I'm super excited. Right there. Thanks for watching. We'll see you after the jump. Or we won't, because this is goodbye. Green Lantern!